In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get a link to your Discord account. To begin, open the Discord app on your device and make sure you're signed in. Once you're in, look for the gear icon, which opens your settings. Tap or click that to enter the settings menu. From there, scroll down until you find the developer option. Go ahead and turn that on. This setting is important because it allows Discord to show extra account details, including your user ID, which you'll need for the link. After that, you can close the settings. Next, click on your profile near the bottom of the app. Once your profile opens, click on your profile picture to view more account options. You should now see a three-dot menu. Open that menu, and then select the option to copy your user ID. This copies the unique ID for your Discord account to your clipboard, so you can use it to create a direct profile link. After you've copied it, you can close that window. Now the final part is putting the link together. Type discordapp.com/users/ and then paste your user ID directly after the final slash. Make sure there are no spaces before or after the number. Once you do that, the full URL becomes the link to your Discord account. At that point, your link is ready to share with friends. If you want, you can paste it into a message first just to double check that it looks correct before sending it out. That's all it takes to create a Discord account link using your user ID, and once you've done it once, it's very quick to do again anytime you need it.